gender roles, gender stereotypes, and gender identity are separate, yet related to one another. They exist in parallel and are interwoven with each other. Gender roles are usually centered on concepts of femininity and masculinity, with exceptions and variations in society. Broadly, it refers to how one should act, speak, dress, groom, conduct based on gender. Whereas gender stereotypes refers to generalized preconceptions, pre-notions about gender. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are very, very delighted to have a wonderful guest who has spent most of her life on working this subject on gender neutrality. And she is a gender neutral mindset coach. She is founder of Poonam Foundation, an organization that focuses towards bringing gender dignity, respect by creating gender neutral society. She is also district president, Mumbai Women Entrepreneurship and Empowerment at Confederation of Indian Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises. So please welcome Rajshri Rajshekhar. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rajni. Thank you, Rajni. That's very kind of you.
It is indeed our pleasure, ma'am, to have you on our show. We are feeling really, really honored to have you on our show.
Thank you, dear.
So, Rajshri ji, I was going through your biography, and where I came to know that you started your journey almost 3 decades back, 3 decades ago, some 27 years ago, from being an HR professional and then transitioning through different verticals. You know, that includes training, blogging, being strategic consultant, and then reaching the role of an entrepreneur. So when you look back at your life, how do you reflect on this in these 3 decades of professional life? And what made you to get into women empowerment, gender neutrality? Was there any point in your life that triggered this feeling that, yes, this is the field, this is the place where you should be?
Thank you very much, Rajni. You know, I have been watching all your interviews on LinkedIn.
Thank
and
you.
Something about you, when you asked me, and I said that, yeah, I will talk about this today because I felt a lot of genuinity in you. That you are trying to seek something just beyond. And that beyond is always with all of us.
Yes.
Okay. What we express and what we showcase is requirement of the different phases of the society.
Right.
But there is always beyond.
And
I always saw that you want to know what is beyond.
Thank you so much.
So let me start from the current scenario. If I say the Poonam Foundation is a manifestation of my life. So Poonam Foundation and the gender neutrality is not a study for me. It's a complete journey of my, say, 28 years of experience, of professional experience. And to reveal my age, 50 years of my life.
We would never ask it. We would never ask it. Don't worry.
So 50 years of my life. Okay. Wow. And it has been amazing. It has been ongoing. Lot of newness, accomplishments, achievements. Looks so good.
Undoubtedly.
And every time I have shed my skin.
Yes.
I have shed my skin, dropped those things behind, and emerged as a new person.
Yes.
However, throughout my life, professionally, you talk about, and personally, but I will talk a lot more personally. I have experienced a lot of gender discrimination, gender violence, and conflict in my life. Every time I have fought with, you can say, my tooth and nail and my claws.
Okay.
I've never kept quiet. Yeah. So that's how I was able to move ahead. Yes. I never got stuck and emerged. And that is where I dropped my skin and I emerged as a new person. I took something out of it.
Right.
And life kept on throwing those challenges every now and then. It's a
Right.
very close circle of mine are aware of, the life that I have been through.
Right.
And then finally I understood during this journey that everything what's happening around me is changing.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm the same person. But every person around me, every situation around me, every challenge that I faced, every kind of maybe unaccepted situations I experienced,
Hmm.
after some time has changed.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
But I have not changed.
Hmm.
I have emerged as a new person.
Hmm.
And then I said that, okay, what is this all about? And by the time your professional journey keeps moving,
Yes.
because those expectations are different. And
Right.
beyond that, what's happening is completely different.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I said that as long as I am still, I am that pillar anchor, let anything move around me. It doesn't matter. It can move around me. It can go anywhere. It can
Yeah.
come close to me. But as long as I am still,
Yeah.
nothing is going to matter.
Hmm.
And that is where I realized that, okay, most of the time we are caught up in roles.
Hmm. True.
Okay? Whatever you feel, is you feel because of the roles. I'm simplifying it, but
Yes.
you
Yes.
go beyond that.
Right.
Because of those roles, we keep getting caught into it.
Hmm.
And we forget
Yeah.
that this is what you are.
Yes.
And you have to come back to yourself.
Right.
And I went through the situations and the life's experiences, and all the issues where I felt that no, I have to bring this back
Right.
and keep building on it,
Okay.
not building on the masks, not building on the faces that I have.
Uh-huh.
If I build on that,
Huh.
I'm getting caught into it. But
Yes.
if I'm building on this,
Yeah.
I'm so still
Yes.
that this is moving.
Huh.
And and this crowd is expanding because of that.
Right.
I'm meeting new people.
Yes.
I'm losing those who can't anymore relate with me,
Right.
because I am becoming much bigger than the circle around me.
Right. Right.
This happened as a part of the process.
Yes.
And then I progressed in life. And then when somebody says that why uh, what is gender conflict, what is gender violence, and what is gender related issues that you face, I faced.
Yes.
Correct. When you say somebody is doing gender violence, it is
Hmm.
not always necessarily your physically abuse.
Hmm. Yes.
No, it is something your existence is not acknowledged,
Hmm.
but your role is acknowledged.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes.
Your
Yes.
success is praised,
Hmm.
but woman in you is not praised.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
your journey is rewarded,
Hmm.
but your being is ignored.
Hmm. True. True.
Please understand.
Yes.
You are acknowledged as a fantastic role model,
Hmm.
but you are denied as a human being.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You are extremely loved for your attributes, qualities,
Hmm.
and what you get.
Hmm.
But when you are unloved, when you don't get that,
Right.
these
Right.
are not abuses.
Yes.
These
Yes.
are actually
Ah.
at a surface level, you get praised for everything.
Indeed. Indeed. Indeed.
Yes, and we get caught into it, saying that I am getting so many awards, I am achieving, people
Hmm.
are loving me.
Hmm.
But there is, as you one day, I just realized that when I'm not doing that, who am I? I'm nobody to no one.
Right. Right. True. True.
And that nobody to no one situation should never come. And that is where I went into more research and more, that is how my study started 9 years
Right.
back. that
Okay.
what is this all about? I
Yeah.
have to, get out of this.
Huh.
And I want to find something which is above this, and also understand that what is that I have been able to achieve,
Huh.
bring in myself.
Yes.
And this journey led to me the understanding that I have nothing against men,
Yes.
and I have nothing for women.
Huh.
What I am saying is that play your role, come back, never leave yourself.
Okay. Right.
Don't get caught into the the lot of, the success that you're getting. It simplifying as a success, but I
Right.
can say that sense of achievement is so high within us that we forget what we are.
Yes. We should not be carried away with that success notion.
And yeah,
Yes.
and we give ourselves our being into it.
Right. Right.
Only when somebody thrashes out and says that your being was never wanted, your
Hmm.
success we always wanted,
Hmm. Yes. Yes. Yes.
and then you keep performing for that, you know uh, approval,
Yes.
for acceptance, for
Yes.
existence,
Yes.
for your being there, for you want to be loved, you want to be there.
Right.
You have to drop all that.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
These are the covers which
Hmm.
you have to shed,
Hmm. But
and then you
yeah.
and then you know that what you are and what's happening other side, and
Yeah.
how you are valued.
Right, true, true. But I think Rashri, it takes a lot of mental conditioning to reach to the point where we actually feel what you are saying is absolutely correct. 101%. I
Yes,
subscribe to, I endorse to what you are saying. So,
but that is where I at least, then my program emerged, which
yes,
is called more than name,
yes,
to bring this, create this awareness,
right,
so that you are not going, through the emotional trauma.
right,
Okay, you are not going through the pain at some stage. You know that how things have been panning out with you, and beyond that, what you are, a
right,
true leader, a
yes,
true person, a
yes,
true being
huh,
with so much of potential and happiness, and so much of, magnanimity
hmm,
is shining.
true,
So
true,
I happen to read, I've got my own library, and I happen to read a lot of books. I happen to meet a lot of good people who are more knowledgeable scholars, because then you are in the search of, this entire gamut.
yes,
And I also found some, I have a guide, but she's also into, she lives, as a solitude, in a solitude.
okay,
And I just found her, she lives in America. So she guided me a lot. It
hmm,
was more, again, my guide also told me that I'm giving you, you asked me questions, I'm giving you 2 lines, now you go back and introspect and work on it.
right,
So, so it was not study that was done in any university.
hmm,
Was much deeper, aspect of going through various books,
yes,
understanding from authors, going through scriptures, going learning from various cultures, you know being with lot of such people who are, because of their immense level of wisdom, they live in solitude, they are not interested in reaching out to anybody, they are
hmm,
in their own, world. I was fortunate enough by, by them accepting me to uh,
yes,
to fulfill the quest that I had, which
yes,
helped me, see lot of things much clearer.
yes,
And I said, yeah, this is what I want to, give, and this is what I should give out. Now, while doing that, uh, I started training Maharashtra police. Okay,
oh,
why I started training them? I said that, okay, crime that is happening
yes,
is a crime of one nature, where there is a criminal mentality.
right,
And gender violence, gender crime is not a criminal mentality.
yes,
They
yes,
come with, it is happening because of lot of cultural issues, lot of, conditioning. not being able to understand how you are going to manage the relationship, the behavior, your own role, understand their role, and these issues are coming up. So how to tackle them separately, and for that let them first understand what is their gender, what is gender neutrality, and then handle such cases in a much better way than categorizing them with other criminals. And there the journey of counseling for women started. Then I noticed that a lot of women who are educated, highly educated, from a well-to-do background, very well accomplished. If I sit here, I can see 10 names on my various circles also. But they are not interested in filing a complaint. They are going through a lot of trauma, and they want resolution.
Okay.
So that was a automatic journey into setting up a one-stop solution.
Yes.
So cases would come from, so they sent out a note to all the police stations saying that the case which is not getting registered because of the social stigma, please mind social stigma, please send it back to Poonam Foundation. They will manage it, they will look into it, and then if required we will, they will come back with the case, whatever. So this started the counseling session. So I get a lot of such cases now. Word of mouth also they come. So I literally adopt a woman.
Okay.
So when she comes, even if she's qualified, her money is already used for the family.
Yes.
Stakes are already involved.
Yes.
Children are dependent on her.
Yes.
And how to take a stand. And I don't teach them to go against men or go for divorce, because that is not my focus. I teach them to be here. Everything else is changing. It may change in your favor. It may change in somebody else's favor.
Yes.
That only you will know. That is the way the counseling happens. Then if required, we give support from a lawyer. If required, we give support. There are medical issues also sometimes they go through. So there are some doctors with us. So we refer them to the doctor to take care of their health. Then financial support, that is where the CIMSME, so same project I have taken at a bigger level now.
Yes.
So that more women are involved in this, and we make major impact because this is a need.
Yes.
So we have to make them financially independent once again, help them bounce back.
Yeah.
They have children. So for their children, they have to, stand up in life.
Yes.
Sometimes they also go back and unite with their husbands.
Yes.
They start journey all over again.
Yes.
And there have been successful cases. It's not necessarily there has been, any kind of a separation or something like that. Not necessarily, because this has got nothing to do with man against woman.
Right.
This has got to do with what you are standing for and how you are managing it in your life.
Right.
So that is how Poonam Foundation became, more focusing. And then again, once you start getting so many cases, you start studying and you know that, okay, the middle class and higher middle class society is full of this.
Yes.
And that is where the social stigma, social issues, how will I face them? Will I be accepted? Will I get support? Will my family help me? If my employer comes to know that I'm having this problem, will I be accepted and given the project? Because I will be construed as that if I can't manage my life, how will I be able to manage a project?
Right.
So because of all these, issues, a lot of women don't come with their, challenges that they are facing, and they don't fight also.
Right.
And this is the awareness that we do.
Yes.
That you can still do it.
Yes.
This is not anti anything.
Right.
This is your own journey. You are, walking.
Yes.
And there you have to do it with lot of you will be facing challenges, but you will be able to come out of it.
Right. Rajshri ji, I also read somewhere that Poonam Foundation focuses on problems of qualified women who
Yes.
feel that they are sort of burdened under their own image pressures and social
Yes.
norms and their problems and their needs. How
Yes.
do you address their needs, problems as an organization, as an association?
Yeah. So, just now, if you see this journey, how I moved on to this educated women, it started coming from police. Now, while doing that, their first and foremost need is somebody standing behind them. Because if you see, these women are not underprivileged, uneducated, or not talented.
Yes.
Just that because of circumstances and because of the social pressure, at
Yes.
some point, if you look at the graphs, they have come down.
Yes. Yes.
So number one, foundations stand ups and stand by, and stand behind them and help them again rise from there.
Okay.
And they quickly rise because they already have substance in them.
Right.
We just remind them that because of whatever you have gone down, now come up.
Yes.
So that hand holding is done.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. And you have to stand behind them. What I mean is I mean it. Okay. So that is how we do.
Okay.
Second is, yes, you need a lot of support from police, legal support in case they face any issues. So those are the contacts that I have because of the work that I have been doing for so many years.
Yes.
And we do it. It is done. Everything is done confidentially. Everything.
Right.
It is not revealed anywhere, not discussed anywhere. And even after the case is over, I also tell a woman that now you're so independent and back to your own self, what you are. Actually, you should not even acknowledge me. That is my receipt. Should not come back again, because if you come back, then I can't reach out to more women.
Right.
So that is how they have to be fully independent.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And that's the level where we take them. Yes, I have 2 challenges which I face, which I try at my level, but because of this position in CIMSME and the amount of now the setup that we have and so many professionals are around, we'll be able to do. One, many can't leave their house to at least be on their own for some time till the time they resolve their issue. So their shelter is a big problem what they have. They can't come out even to take that break. You sometimes need a break also to go back. Okay, so that is not there. And financial independence.
Yes.
Many of them, either they have left their jobs or even if they have their own financial earnings, but they are in joint accounts or already committed for some loans or some kind of a liabilities they are carrying. So these are the 2 major things where they get caught and issues become bigger for them.
Right.
Yeah.
So when you talked about coming out of shelter sometimes to take break, and I believe during COVID-19 times, it has been indeed very, very tough for many women. As of late, we have been hearing so many stories of rising domestic violence in families. You are sort of forced to live under, one shed. No matter what you want to go out, you cannot go out due to pandemic.
Yes.
How do you deal with such matters where even you cannot read them physically and you are getting phone calls? Yes, please.
Yes. So yes, that there is a problem. Yes, there is a situation. Even whatever way I talk to them over the phone, whatever I do, but still, say even without COVID-19, none of the NGOs or there is no place where they can go and stay for a year. Whether COVID-19 or no COVID-19.
Right.
Now it is, at least that time they had a place to go to office and have that kind of a break.
Yes.
Now even that is not there.
Yes.
So at the most what we do, we keep talking. We really, we hardly have any of such institutions
Hmm.
where we can get them and give them this break. Why
Hmm.
I'm saying, somebody will say that why they need one years or maybe 1 month or 2 months break. Most of these women have left their families and come. They have moved from one city to another.
Yes.
In Indian culture, many a times, though we say whatever, the parents don't get involved.
Yes.
Again, because of social stigma
Yes.
and social pressure. And that woman has to fight everything on her own.
Right.
And that's why you need space to at least think of something.
Right.
It is even sometimes, we all are together for such a long period that
Hmm.
little space helps
Hmm.
come back.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So one of my case, what she did, she went to her mother-in-law's house,
Okay.
which was far from here in another state,
Okay.
and along with her 2 children. And she
Huh.
said, your son is troubling me so much that till the time he's fine, I'm going to stay here.
Oh, okay. Okay. But
So
somehow she could manage to,
yes,
reach
yes,
that city, the other city.
that city. Yes, she just one day packed everything and went away.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, it is every time it is not about going away or
Huh.
leaving the family, leaving
Yes.
children. It
Yes.
is the time and space for you to, become that, understand yourself and what's happening and what's,
That
around, what's
cycle.
happening around
Yeah.
you. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So you sort
How
of
you're
break that
getting caught.
cycle.
Yes, I predict the cycle.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I am able to predict the cycle. I am able to predict the result. I am able to also tell them that, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is going to happen in next 6 months.
Huh.
So that helps them be able to, work accordingly.
Yes, yes, and
Yes.
they are better. They are mentally better prepared to handle those situations because they can
Yes.
actually foresee that okay, those challenges are coming up. So
Yes.
right,
Yes.
right. So Rashri,
Yeah.
since this channel is being watched by many women entrepreneurs, so it would be definitely a very insightful if you could give some wonderful message to all those viewers.
I can only say that come what may, don't leave your own company.
Okay.
Be others' company.
Huh.
Be there in others' life. Be it your child, your husband, your friends, your profession. Be in everybody's child, but don't leave your own company. Keep building on that, because the moment you give, away that company, then you're lost in the cycle which is constantly circling around you. Find ways of coming back. Create, those compulsive, mechanisms to come back. But go back to your role also. Don't do injustice to your role. I will not tell any woman not to do injustice to her role. We have lot of responsibilities. God has gifted us with lot of qualities. God has gifted us to bring this universe together, people together, create love, compassion, everything. My point is that don't get lost into it.
Right.
Come back to build on it.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So Rashid, thank you so much for being with us, and thank you so much for sharing your life journey. And I wish you all the best for your all endeavors, for your all future projects. And also, it's been really pleasant having conversation with you and listening to your experiences. And I hope this is not just a conversation; it is a guidance also. This interview is not just going to be an interview. This would
Yes.
serve the purpose of guidance also. Women who are watching it, women who would be watching it, they would certainly be benefited out of it. So on this,
and I always focus on, the positive side of it.
Yes, yes, yes.
None of my expression is go against anybody.
Right.
Bring dignity.
Right.
Take time to build on it.
Yes.
Take time to build on yourself.
Right.
You become bigger than the situation that is around you.
Sure. Indeed.
Yeah.
Indeed. Thank you so much once again, Rajshri. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajni. It's my pleasure.
Thank you guys for watching.
Okay.
Take care and bye.